Parents, I'm showing you how to access your students' math on Canvas. So you want to have your student go to the math page, click the smartboard. They can click on Thursday's lesson. Click Next. They'll have the solve and share where they've already should have responded because this was from yesterday. Then they'll click Next again. They'll have to try this. Some of you may still be seeing this error message right here. I tried to screenshot it and remove it, but click Next. This is the visual learning bridge. This is the actual video that teaches the strategy. So after students have did that, they can click Next. Then they come to the Convince Me. The Convince Me is just a one question. And since I'm in the teacher view, I just get preview. So then students will click Next. Then they have the lesson 1-2 practice. I'm going to go into the preview mode. Okay, the only Google image students should see is this one right here for lesson 1-2. Here is where they will complete the questions from the lesson. Once they have completed it, they will click Submit Quiz. And that is how your student will get to their quiz on Canvas.